Hello, this is unboxing from Etan Comics. Etan. I ordered a couple of books, graphic novels. It's textured. I upgraded to the hardcover copy. I got it in time for Christmas. I'm gifting this to myself. It looks like this. You put incense in it, and then it's supposed to be a incense burner. In Ethiopian tradition, storytellers often begin a story with a phrase. The phrase is intended to help the audience transition from their current state of mind to the imaginative world of the story. In the Amharic language, the phrase "tarat tarat," those ready to be entertained and go on an adventure reply with the phrase "yemesret" or "yelamberet." Tarat tarat. Yelamberet. Apparently in Nigeria they say story, story, and then you reply story. Once upon a time. Time. I learned about that from a romantic novel. Okay, so this is the first book, Howie, hardcover. Long Distance Pan-African Comics Anthology. Ooh, this is also hardcover. I didn't know. I believe this is a mix of different comics. Afrofuturism sci-fi. Nice. Yeah, so it's a mix of different comics. Ooh, another hardcover. Jember. Volume 1. Becoming Somebody. Ooh, another one. So this one is bilingual comic book. So they have different reader levels. looks like. This is Emmanuel Telahun. ይህ Emmanuel Telahun ነው. Nice. So yeah, there's English and Amharic written in Ge'ez, which is the writing system it's a Semitic writing system. So I got Zufan 1 and 2. And that's it. I love to support African comics because I did not have this growing up. I loved reading books, but all the stories I read I didn't identify with. I'm a millennial, so I'm a 90s baby, which means I grew up on Disney movies. The first Black Disney princess was Tatiana, The Princess and the Frog, and I was 21.